Meditation on breath and body sensations. As we begin our meditation practice today, forming the intention to set aside some time each day for ourselves, a time when we can comfortably still the body, setting aside activities and constant doing, allowing ourselves to do non-doing, just to simply be. Being with whatever arises in our bodies and our minds, and learning in this stillness to simply observe without judgment, with a sense of patience, kindness, and steadiness. And now coming into a sitting posture, sitting on a straight-backed chair or on a cushion on the floor. Sitting with a fairly straight back that is not stiff or rigid, and the spine is upright with its natural curves at the lower back and the neck. Sitting in a position that fosters alertness and is also fairly comfortable. The posture is relaxed, awake, and dignified. Alert, allowing the body to become still and settling into this moment. Feeling the support of the floor, the chair, or the cushion, settling into this stable seat. Becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing. Becoming aware of the movement of the breath. Feeling the breath as it comes into the body and as it leaves the body. Breath flowing in and flowing out. Not manipulating the breath in any way. Simply being aware of it and noticing how it feels. Allowing yourself to be with the flow of breath coming in and going out. You may notice the breath at the nostrils. Perhaps becoming aware of temperature on the in-breath and a change in temperature as the breath leaves the body. You may notice sensations of breathing at the chest as the lungs fill with air and deflate as you breathe out. Perhaps becoming aware of breath at your belly and sensing the belly rising and expanding as you breathe in and flattening and sinking as you breathe out. Allowing your attention to gently ride on the sensations of each breath. Not thinking about breathing, but feeling it directly as best you can. Allowing the breath to breathe itself, and simply observing There is no need to alter or change your breathing in any way. You may notice that from time to time, the attention wanders away from breathing. The mind may wander off to thoughts of the past, going over past experiences, or thoughts of the future, planning, anticipating, or some other commentary. As soon as you become aware that the mind has become distracted and has wandered away from observing the breath, simply noting that and gently refocusing your attention on sensations of breathing, returning to this moment. No need to give yourself a hard time. It's human for the mind to wander, and we're cultivating the ability to redirect and escort the mind back any time that it wanders. So simply coming back to this breath. Is it an in-breath or an out-breath? Moving in close to this breath. The breath anchoring the attention to this moment. You may find as you observe the breath that sensations in the body come into your field of awareness. Sensations of sitting on whatever surface you're on, the position of your hands and arms, sensations in your legs or your back. Sensing the body, complete, present, dignified, being present to whatever sensations emerge. Sensations arising, perhaps lingering, changing in intensity, and passing away. Aware of physical sensations. Some sensations may be pleasant, others may be neutral. Perhaps feelings of discomfort or restlessness arrive. These feelings can become more or less focused and intense, more or less compelling from time to time. Sometimes strong sensations may dominate the attention, making it more difficult to focus. If feelings of discomfort or irritation emerge, you can slowly adjust your posture to alleviate discomfort, paying close attention to the desire to move and moving mindfully. Or you can stay in stillness and just choose to investigate the sensations. Paying attention to the qualities of the sensation. Noticing the exact shape of it, and directly breathing into and out of that part of the body, going right into it, not trying to change it, but opening to it with gentleness, kindness, and patience, softening to the sensation rather than tensing around it, noticing any reactions to the sensations, and as the feelings subside, returning the attention again to the whole body, sitting, breathing. Feeling your whole body just here and just now. Breath moving in and out of the body. Coming again to this breath, gathering the attention to your breathing. The mind wanders, gently escorting it back, without being harsh with yourself. We're training the mind to return. And so now returning your attention to breath sensations. The full in-breath, the full out-breath. Aware and present, this moment. Nothing you need to do, just being. Fully present with each breath flowing into and out of the body. And as this recording finishes, recognizing that you have spent this time intentionally caring for yourself by dwelling in this state of being, allowing yourself to be exactly as you are, recognizing and honoring your wholeness and uniqueness. You might want to congratulate yourself for taking this time for yourself. Nourishing the ability to be fully present in each moment, deepening your ability to be fully present in your daily life, and allowing the benefits of this practice to flow into the entire experience of your life.